Hi everyone, how is it going? Can I see some hi in the chat? How has your Global Hack Week Day 1 been so far? And yeah, how are you all doing? I am extremely excited to be here. am back at Global Hack Weeks and I'm so glad that I'm here on day 1 and will be taking you through a fun mini event. I see some hello in the chat. How's it going? How has day 1 been for you so far? Hello, hi. I see a lot of folks in the chat. So, has anybody of you played No Light before? Amazing. I am yet to catch up on day 1 because I've just been back from office right now. I will be watching a lot of streams after this. Could not attend the streams due to exams. I feel you. I haven't been able to watch the streams because of office, but yeah, I will be getting back to it. All right. Have any of you played No Light before, or is it the first time that you're here at such a mini event? I would be much more happier if this is the first time because even I am doing it for the first time. So it'll be much easier on me. First time. Okay. Yay. I see a lot of folks in Miami today. First ever Global Hack Week. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. First of all, welcome to the community. Welcome to Global Hack Weeks. And yay, we'll have a lot of fun. Uh, what is today's agenda? Yes. So, No Light is a very fun mini event where I will be testing your HTML and CSS skills. So, what's going to happen is that we'll be taking a particular website, just to like one page of it. You won't have a compiler, like you can compile it only once, and you'll be writing an entire HTML and CSS code. And after, I'll be giving you 10 minutes per website. So after 10 minutes, we'll be seeing how well you recreated something. Does that sound interesting? Hi. So let me take you to the link first. Basically, this is the link. So I'll ask you all to join this link and log in your MLH account. And that's how you'll be part of this particular game. And we'll have loads of fun today. So that sounds cool. Great. Can I have some thumbs up or cool? Yeah, got it in the chat so that I know that you understood the point. Because this is my first time explaining it. So I'll be happy to explain it again. Cool. Great. Uh, We'll wait for a bunch of folks to join in and then we'll begin with it. So, meanwhile, I am going to present my screen and show how it looks. Got it, I see. Got it in the chat. Yay. Thumbs up. Great, I am great at explaining then. So, make sure that you join this link and let me know when you folks are ready. Uh, Let me share my tab. All right. So this is what you would be seeing right now. And once you've logged in into your account, this is what it looks like. This is where you'll be entering your code, something like, let's say, listen, I am not that great at HTML, CSS, like I'm not that great at web development. So please don't judge me. But something like this, you write your tags here and I hope I wrote it right. Basically, this is how you'll code, and once you're done, like once the timer goes off, this right here, the no light, is actually a submit button. That's when your code gets compiled. Sounds good? We will just take it off so that I don't embarrass myself anymore. But yeah, I am ready to learn something exciting and cool today. Yeah, I am glad. So let's Yeah, yeah, I knew I wrote something wrong. It should be slash HTML. That's why I was saying I wouldn't embarrass myself right here, and I would let you folks take it. I am an Android and ARVR developer. HTML is something I haven't done for years, but okay. So, which website should we recreate first? Something simple for sure. I am trying to find an easy website. What about the homepage of Pinterest? Is that something which you would want to start with first or something more basic? I think we could start with this a Google homepage or should we go directly to Pinterest? What do you folks think? I am open to suggestions. Pinterest is cool? Great. So this is how my Pinterest homepage looks like. Clearly shows my aesthetic, but this is the homepage that we want to create. Is that cool? Are we folks ready? If we are, I will pull out a timer for 10 minutes and see how, if anybody can do it. Okay, great. I'll just start the timer then. Reset and reset it to 10 minutes. Can we do of Netflix? For sure. So let's start with Pinterest first, and then we'll go ahead with Netflix. Does that sound good? We have enough time, folks. We have like a lot of fun to do because it's just 10 minutes per website. Great. So I am going to start the timer now, and you all can start coding. Three, two, one. Let's go. All right, I'll explain. So basically, this is a no light mini event where what we are going to do is I'll show a screenshot or a particular website page, and you go to this particular link where everybody has joined in. Let me just copy it once again. And all you have to do is write the HTML CSS code, and after the timer goes up, like in 10 minutes, you have to submit it. And we'll see if you were able to recreate the website. The catch here is you cannot compile it. So you'll be directly compiling it in the next 10 minutes. And that's when you'll know if you have done a great job or not. So yeah, it's just a fun game. In case you want to join, feel free to. I've shared the link once again. And we've already started this timer, so you can probably go for the next round, or if you want to join right now, that'll be fun too. I am just going to submit it for the sake of it so that I can see other submissions. I am not writing any code, folks, so don't judge my HTML, CSS. Are we limited to HTML and CSS? No, like this is the first time we've attended this event. So, yeah, basically, since we are going to create just a front end of the website, I think HTML and CSS is something that'll be easier to do. Uh, and you'll be sharing like a zip file with me. But in case you're planning to take it up a notch, feel free to do that. How to make HTML and CSS in a single file? Good question. I am not sure of that answer. But if someone in the comments can help with it. Um, So I think you can add some style directly with the tags, right? I do know that that works, right? The style tag. Yes, yes, I see someone helping in the chat. Yep, the inline style tag. Can you show the website again? Yes, it's basically Pinterest's homepage. This is the one we are recreating, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Right, okay. So once you do submit your code, like you still have 6 minutes to go, but this is how it will look like. You're going to submit it only once, and this is the submission page. I just submitted it for the sake of it. I've just added the HTML tag, nothing else. But yes, that's how it looks. Meanwhile, I see a lot of folks joining in, and thank you for helping in the chat. Right style, right wrap the style and style tags. Yes, uh, nice. Okay, I see a lot of energy and a lot of excitement, and I'm really, really excited to see what all you build. That's gonna be fun. 5 more minutes to go. Hi, user Sandra. Hi, how's it going? Just for folks who've just joined in for your context, we are playing the No Light Mini event. Currently, people are recreating the Pinterest homepage, and we have around 4 minutes, 40 seconds, 30 seconds to go. And then we'll see their submissions of how well were they able to recreate the website. So, yeah. And in case you don't know me, I think I forgot to give my introduction. Hi everyone, I'm Deekshita Verma. I am one of the coaches at Major League Hacking, and I'm an AR/VR developer. I'm a makeup artist. That's a fun fact about me. I have started like cooking a lot these days because I'm living alone now, so I need to make my own meals. And yeah, I am enjoying it. It's quite therapeutic to cook food. Folks, you have 3 minutes, 20 seconds to go. There's a lot of pressure, there are drum rolls. We're building with full energy, and I'm really, really excited to see what all you build. How to make a vertical line on latex for your resume? That's a very, very out of the box question. Um, I think you can Search for latex hacks or latex code and you'll be able to find it. There are a lot of latex tags available online and you'll be able to figure it out. I don't think I had a vertical line in my resume on latex. I just kept it a two column one without any lines in between. So I'm not sure which exact tag is used, but I think you'll be able to find it just by Googling it or somewhere on Stack Overflow for sure. Folks, we have almost 1 minute 30 seconds to go. How are we feeling? How much have we built and how much more time do we need? I'm guessing people would be confused between typing in and asking for more time or just typing in the code and figuring it out. But yes, I didn't try Pinterest's dynamics or just hanging out with you, with all of you. That's okay. I feel like even though if it's a dynamic website, I'm not expecting you to create that. Just probably a free, just an outline or just a random framework, looking of how the UI should be would be fine. I do not expect you to create a dynamic website in 10 minutes. How to submit? Basically, there's a no light tag right over there on the top. That's the submit button. Just click on it and you'll be able to submit it. I have actually, okay, let me share this tab. So right here, if I click on this no light button, it will give me a pop-up which you can't see right now. And as soon as I click on OK, okay, it shows already submitted because I did submit once and I just went back. The timer is over, folks. Uh, So, how are we feeling? Were we able to submit? Or are we still stuck? Or do we need more time? What's going on? Everyone, come back to the stream. Can you give 2 minutes? Sure. Let me extend. I need 5 more minutes, almost there. Okay, so what we'll do is I'll extend the timer for 5 minutes and you all can work on it. Let me just go back to the screen. Uh, 0500 and start. All right, you have 5 more minutes. Keep going. What are we doing here? I'm late. Hi, user Sandra. We are at the no light menu, and basically, we've taken a home page or any page or any website and we are trying to recreate it. So there is this link for No Light, and folks have joined in and they're recreating the website using basic HTML CSS code. And once they submit it, we'll be going through the websites and see who recreated the best one. Um, so yeah, that's what you're doing right now. Not sure if I submitted page crashed. Probably try to go back and click on the submit button again. In case it's been already submitted, you'll see that error you submitted once already. All right, folks, you have 3 more minutes to go. We've given you some grace period, but yes, we will be looking at your creations soon. Let me know if you've done, if you've submitted. Just Give thumbs up in the chat or just let me know that you've submitted it. And for folks who are still working on it, hurry up. We have 3 minutes and then we are going to probably create Netflix next. It's gonna be fun. Done. I see a done in the chat. Yay. I'm assuming she is tonic. You have also submitted or not submitted, but basically you were done from your side. We'll figure out if your submission was done or not. Rest of the folks, the clock's ticking. You have 2 minutes, 30 seconds. We are waiting to see your creations. Alright, meanwhile, for people who are hanging out with us and are already done, what do you do in your pastime? Like, what's that one thing you would do if you're not doing anything? For me, it would either be Netflix or I would be reading a book. Yeah, that's the two things. Like, if I have to just crash on my bed, I call quits. I am a backend developer, not really my forte. That's okay. Take a deep breath. You can still submit something. I mean, I do not expect you to be a Picasso and create a website just like that. But anything that you want would be great. I mean, coming from someone who did not know the right HTML tag, I would say you're still great. I try to sleep in my free time. That's something I should consider more. But yeah, I'd rather prefer, like, if I have to be just in bed, I would either be watching Netflix or probably reading something. But if I want to do something energetic, I would be cleaning. I am obsessed with cleaning, color coordinating things. I am like sort of a Monica. Not exactly that Monica obsessive, but yeah, somewhere a Monica. Folks, you have 50 seconds to go, and I'm not giving extra time this time. So 44, 43, 42, 41, 40. I'm not gonna repeat the entire counting backwards, but you get the hang of it. I mean, you have 30 more seconds. The clock's ticking. Perfectionist. Uh, did you say about the fact that I try to pull a Monica at times? I mean, I do. Nine, eight, seven, six, five, four, three, two, one. And the time is off. Done. Damn. That's too much pressure in 10 minutes. I just did some basic Ajibs are not so good. It's okay. Listen, you may have done it 10 times better than me. So, done. I wrote 59 lines of code, 1052 bytes. All right. So, what we'll do is now I am going to share this tab instead and go to this link where I see the zip folder. So, okay, I've downloaded the files. Um, Great, I can see your submissions now. Let's start. So, it's alphabetical order, and this is from Akash Verma. That's so beautiful. I mean, the three pictures are so aesthetic. This is something that you would see on my Pinterest for sure. That's so pretty. I mean, I am kind of obsessed already, and I'm so excited to see the rest of the submissions now. Share this tab instead. This is from Abhishek Nayak, and wow. Okay, you did a pretty damn good job. Like there's a whole nav bar there, and that too in just 15 minutes. Oh god. This gives me that Manyavar photo ad vibe. So for people who are not from India, there's this Indian wear brand called Manyavar, and yeah, that's how it looks. Then we have Dia Thakur, and I hope I pronounce your name right. Wow, dude! First of all, the Pinterest images. It looks like something that's out of my Pinterest for sure, and each of these are so beautifully done. I mean, wow. It's like, then we have okay. I really like this. Someone has written, "I Eddie Darling is a submission," and they've written, "Hi, I don't HTML." This is actually my energy. There's another okay. There's another submission from the same. Hi, I don't HTML. Um, okay, for someone who's asking, how do you submit? Right here, click on the no light button, and that's where you make a submission. I've already downloaded the files, so you might have to ask me to download it again in order to see your submission. Let me open another one. We have from Emily. I think something went wrong with it. I am not able to see. Uh, okay. Yeah, Emily, sorry. I am going to change it right now. Uh, where's the other website that just something popped up just now and it's gone? Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Okay, Emily, I'm taking it off first of all. Yeah, it's on my other screen. That's why it was gone. Share this tab instead. This is how it looks. This it's showing me that I've been blocked. What? Um, shouldn't have happened. Can, let me see if I can find your submission. But meanwhile, this is from Emma. I cannot pronounce your surname right, so I'm going to not actually say it. But again, such aesthetic pictures, folks. Like, how did you find these in like such a short time? Can I search something? Will be able to find. Let's just type flower. Okay, we can't search anything, but damn, you've also added descriptions. Okay, really nice. It's giving an attention required message. I am not sure what's happening. Can you try to submit it with some other login? Maybe the search doesn't work, but overall, it's very pretty. This is much better than what I could have done. Definitely better than what I could have done. Uh, okay, I will go to the next submission now, and I think I lost the folder. Give me 1 minute. Why does it happen to me? I just lost the folder that had the zip file. Okay. Dude, where's the zip folder? I think I downloaded it again. Okay. Yeah, I downloaded the zip folder again. Then we have Fabia, and she said this is a sample. Something like what I could have done. uh, wow, this is from. Okay. It just opened very well right now, and then the image got a little too zoomed in. Okay, probably the images are too zoomed in, but the images are very cute. I like the sunflower the most. This is from Nanda Kumar. I hope I pronounced it right. I'm amazed at how fast and great you all coded yours. I know, right? I mean, this was wow. Okay, should I try the links? Okay, if I go to today, damn, that opens Pinterest. Okay, that's cool. If I go to watch, it opens Pinterest videos. That's great. Let me go back and try the other ones. There's Shaw, and it goes to again Pinterest ideas. Wow. That's I am in shock. How well did you all do in like such a short time? Does the login and sign up button also work? And this is the search bar, right? Ah, that's so well done. It's not something I could have done for sure. I mean, this is what I did. I'll show you what I did. I just added the two HTML tags and I made a submission to show what was done. Okay. We will not embarrass myself anymore and we will share this. Dude, so cool. You've also added the copyright. Interesting. If I go to home, it's on the home right here. Explore and sign in. This is from Michael Rahimstan. I hope I pronounced it right. Me neither, and I'm a front end dev. Maruti, you did a great job. And this is from Michael, and this looks very pretty. I am in awe of what all you've done. That's Rahimstan. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I am literally gonna sit and adore all these websites and then wonder what I'm doing with my life right now. Uh, this we have from Min Min Tan. That's the name I can see. These are such cute pictures. Disclaimer: I did not create a Pinterest account and grab random images from it. That's cute. This is something which you'll actually see on my Pinterest, and this too. This is literally similar to my aesthetic. Yeah, the bunny is really cute. Damn. And oh my god, we have the homepage, which leads to again Pinterest. Wow, wonderful job, work. Like this is not something I could have imagined. And then there's this create button, and it takes you back to Pinterest. That is so cool. So cool. I'm definitely super impressed. I think we have 3, 4 more websites to go. I think there's someone else in the chat. I really want to see yours too. Uh, who wasn't able to make a submission. This is from Prajwal and pretty well like done. Like you have the colors right and everything's very organized. There's a read more button and then there is a home link too. Okay, it's not a clickable button right now, but that looks really cool and really well done. Next, we have something from Prem. I like this. I really like this. There's just one very aesthetic image, and the fact that you were able to pull all of this off is a great job done in itself. Because I wouldn't be doing this. We have Samaha Rizvi. I think this is a sample print description. This is another sample print description. I think something went wrong with the size tags. Uh, which one's yours? Is this one particularly yours? The one which says the Mahadusvi? Or did you have some other website? Did I miss yours? They were this the previous one. Let me find. I definitely lost that one. But wait. In hurry, I submitted in 9 months. That's really really great. Like I wouldn't have been able to do that. Then this is from Suraj. We have the nap bar, and I think we had very few time to add the picture, so we couldn't. Anyway, that was so interesting and so well done. I will now create another link for you folks, and I think we will be able to do it in time as well. Might not be able to see all the submissions, but we will have 10 minutes for sure. Um, Let me create it as Global Hack Week Netflix so that you all can create the homepage of Netflix. Uh, yeah, I am going to share this link with you folks right now. All you have to do is join in and recreate the homepage of Netflix, which is your next task. Let me just close all the tabs. I have so many websites open right now. I am so glad I saved all of them. I'll definitely sit and adore all of your websites. We'll miss you, Rahim, for sure. Okay, so you know the drill. I hope you all are ready, and we know how the Netflix homepage looks like, but just for reference, I would want to share it again. Do we want to do the who's watching page, or do you want to do the actual page where you see all those movies and stuff? Can you send the link again? For sure, I'll send the link. It's right here in the chat, but I'll share it once again. Okay, so do you want to do this particular tab where it says who's watching, or do you want to do the one where you see the whole movies um, slider? Something like that. Do we call it a slider or carousel? The movie carousel or something like this? I'm waiting in the chat for you to let me know. The movies page? Alright. Uh, okay, we have one and it's going to play the movie and I don't want to hear it.
तू नेस्कॉफी लेके आ
Okay.
मेरे वाले
Damn, I have to
Now for a fashionable
stop
late
sharing
yet
this tab right now. Okay. Uh, we have movie page. We have two words for movie page. So somehow I think we'll be taking that. You folks know the hang of how the movies page looks like. So I'm not gonna share it again and just share my screen to the timer. Why is your screen blurred? I don't know. Like, is my video blur or in general my screen is blur right now? It might be a network issue, but in case it's my video, probably my camera is not that clear. I have to clean it. Um, okay, are we ready? Are we ready? I'll give some drum rolls and then I'll start the timer because it's 9:10 already and we want to see the submissions. This time it's a strict 10-minute timer and I'm not gonna wait. So we'll start right now because I want to see your submissions on stream too. All right, folks. Let me just try to clean my camera once and see if the blurring goes away. I hope my screen is less blurred now. I don't know. So we have 10 minutes and a Netflix home screen to create, the movies page. And with the creations that I've seen in the last challenge, I have extremely high hopes. I mean, you all did a pretty good job. I wouldn't have been able to do that. So I am very excited to see what you all build next. I think everyone has gone into the zone of quickly creating the website, and I'll be the one chit chatting. So I love to do that anyway. I'm happy to do that. Let me edit this and I'll play some light music in the background to distract you folks. I mean, that's the only thing I can do right now. Folks, you have 7 minutes and 50 seconds. The time is running fast, and there's a whole website that you have to build. I mean, just one page, not scaring you off. For me, I personally think that carousel is something which takes a lot more effort compared to the other verticals in the website. So we'll see uh, what are you all able to build and how your carousels look. Because honestly, I struggle in carousels a lot. I recently built a website and it involved, I think, three carousels. It was my nightmare, but I was able to finish the website anyway. So yeah, that was a fun out of the box project, which was not something I would have expected to do because I've never personally liked building websites, but I had to do it because of work. Do we have folks in the chat who are just observing right now and waiting to see more websites? If yes, I'd love for you to chit chat with me and disturb other folks while they're building their websites. Uh, just a reminder, you have 6 minutes left. Hi, Emily. How's it going? I hope it's okay that I said your actual name instead of your username. In case it's not, real name. I just remember you from the last uh, hosted by Emerald Hackathon. How's it going? How has Global Hack Week been for you? Like it's just the day one, but how's the day one for you? How are you doing? I am great. I am pumped up with a lot of energy. I'm almost like after this stream, I will be ending my day today. But I went to office. I had a lot of work to do, and I'm still somewhere lagging behind. I have some work to finish after that. I went to the gym, cooked dinner, and I'm streaming right now. I have some more household chores to do after this, but I don't know. I'm very pumped up with energy today. Folks, you have 4 minutes 54 seconds to go. I'm scaring you all off by saying 4 minutes. Uh, yeah, it's 4 minutes 45 seconds now. Did you submit already? Okay. You've already done a lot. I just woke up late here on the East Coast because I stayed up for the stream last night. Ritvi, I mean, she's amazing. So I honestly enjoy her streams a lot. Uh, Late for me, it's almost noon. It's like 9:15 p.m. right now. Right after the stream, I just have like I think half an hour more work to do, and then I'll be dozed off to sleep because I wake up pretty early in the morning. So I sleep before 10:30 at max. I don't like go extended after that. Otherwise, I won't be able to wake up for office next morning. Folks, you have 3 minutes, 30 seconds to go. We have the clock ticking. There are drum rolls. There's someone who has submitted already. So I'm building the pressure on you to build the website as soon as possible. Because I want to see your creations before ending the stream. So, yep. I woke up late for me. Ritvi is amazing. Also, we'll be staying up late for Will's stream part 2 tonight. Such a great. I know, right? There's such a great collection. I am lagging behind in watching streams this week. I'll probably be. I'll probably end up binge watching everything on the weekend because I've got a lot of work actually this week. So I'll figure out a way to catch up on all the streams whenever I can. Um, 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Tick tock, tick tock. The clock's ticking. Time was ticking actually. I'm building a lot of pressure right now. You should submit as soon as possible. How's it going for you in your new place? Any more settled yet? Yes, it's I think I'm pretty comfortable at home now. I have started to call it home, so I think um, I'm pretty much settled in. I'll be going back home by the end of the month. The month has just started, but by the end of it, I will be visiting my parents because it's like a festival time and I can't be alone here. Um, but overall, it's pretty great. I have found a good schedule and I have a lot of friends here, which makes it more comforting. So overall, yeah, it's been fun. 1 minute, everyone. You have 50 seconds to go. Hurry up with your submissions. I mean, it's like I do miss home a lot because this is the first time I've been out of my city. I've been out of like away from home. I've never lived alone. Even for college, I used to stay home only. So it gets stressful sometimes, but it's also fun at the same time. So I am finding a good balance right now. That's good. I'm glad to hear it. Moving is always so stressful and hard. Big change. Access is blocked. What? Uh, do you want to log in with some other ID and submit it? I can wait for like a minute or two. Hi Vinayak, how's it going? Okay, my emoji pump up literally changed right now, and the timer is off. It's kind of a little annoying, but okay. Great. I see. Done. Hope it works. Emma, were you able to submit it? I can wait for a minute or two at max because I really need to see your submissions. Um, Submitted, submitted. Great. I am going to go to the zip file, download it, and see what you all have built. That's okay, Emma. I will download it again once you've made the submission. How is Bangalore and your new job? Bangalore is fun actually. I mean, it's like sometimes it's thoda weird because I don't have people here, but overall it's been fun. I'm glad a lot of my friends are here, and it gets easier by the time. So this is from Devaditya song. Wow, just a demo website. Hope you all like it. Made it during MLS Global Happy. This looks so beautiful and so well done. I mean, it definitely matches the entire aesthetic. Um, and we have home TV series, anime, films, and documentary. This is really, really well done. I love the aesthetic and I love like it really, really matches the Netflix website. Something which can definitely be included sometime in the website and it will just go along with it very well. Next, we have a submission from Dia. Share this tab instead. Dia actually made it something which was looking like my homepage. So my homepage did have the Barbie ad and friends. So, wow, I see three tabs for friends. That's a plus plus sign from me because I absolutely love friends. I think you figured that out while I was talking about it. There are buttons and does the nav bar respond? Okay, not yet. But really, really well done. I love this. I would definitely go to this Netflix website. What did I just do? Still doesn't work. Oh, well. That's okay. I would definitely love to see your website for sure. Amazing to make it in a minute. I know, right? I mean, they did it so well. I wouldn't be able to do it. Who is your favorite friend character from Friends? Joey. I love Joey. I really, no doubt, he's like my favorite character. So next up we have from Mohammed Zameen. I hope I pronounced your name right. You created the Who's Watching page, which looks absolutely great, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Not something I could have built on my own, for sure. Next we have Prem. I am a huge Friends fan too. Joey doesn't share food. I love this particular line, and I would say whenever I'm having fries, like Joey doesn't share food. That's my favorite line to go. I was just a minute late. Can you re-download the zip file? For sure, I'll do that. Um, Mine is Chandler. I see Chandler fans. I love Monder though. Like Chandler and Monica. Like, this looks so cool. I am so proud of you folks for building this website. Then I have from Samaha Rizvi. Share this tab instead. Cool, you shared. Oh, hey, this is fun. This is really, really exciting. And when you click on it, it goes to the Netflix homepage. That's so cool. Listen, I love this. This is like really, really interesting thing to do. And I'm so glad you all were building these many things. Okay. I will download the file once again so that we can see submission for Max Skyverse. Let me open it and I can't find your submission again. Did I miss it? It's not in the newer download as well. I put it on Raffle if anybody wants to see. Sure, I will definitely head on to the link. Let me actually type it and share right now. I can't copy it directly from the comment here, so I'll have to type the entire link. This whole page. No, I hope I wrote it right. This is fun. Like, you folks are amazing. I know, right? I don't think I was able to head on to the Rebel website and find it. But yes, I'll look at it again. Akash Verma. Let me see. I can't find your submission here. Yeah, we are enjoying this. I am so glad you folks enjoyed it. And we are exactly like on time. So I think I have to stop sharing and get back to the screen because we have to give time for the next stream as well. So inconvenient. I'm sorry, thank you. That's okay. I am glad you had fun. I'm glad you were able to build something fun. And will this game going to be conducted again? I think for sure. We do have a no light event every Global Hack Week. Um, Whenever we have, I will let you know. We'll obviously be having announcements for that. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much everyone for joining in. I'll see you folks in my next stream. Till then, bye.